Huwag kang mag-worry about the future. All you need is grace for today and hope for tomorrow. Yan mismo ang paraan ni Lord. Sabi sa Bible, faith is the substance of things hoped for. Ibig sabihin, keep on believing at matutupad din ang mga pinapangarap mo. Dahil promise ni Lord ay mabless ka to be a blessing to many. Maaring hindi mo pa nakikita ang lahat. Maaring pagod ka na kakahintay. Pero sinasabi ng faith, kumikilos pa rin si Jesus. At sabi mismo ni Jesus, I came that you may have life and have it more abundantly. Hindi lang survival, hindi lang mediocre life, kundi abundant life. May purpose, may peace, may pag-asa. Lahat ng pangako ni Jesus sa iyo ay yes and amen. So today, huwag kang susuko. Tanggapin mo ang day-to-day grace. Keep on hoping because hope means a positive expectation of good to happen in your life. At patuloy kang maniwala na tutuparin ni Jesus ang kanyang pangako sa buhay mo. Maniwala kay Jesus, my friend. Siya ang source ng tunay na buhay. Check my profile showcase for recommended books to fill your mind with good things. And subscribe to support this mission. Comment this declaration, si Jesus ang grace ko for today at hope ko for tomorrow. Blessed to be a blessing.